Hey beautiful people, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel, or welcome to this channel if you're new here. My name is Maggie. I post vegan lifestyle videos weekly, so make sure you hit that red button and subscribe because I would love to have you here. I also have a Instagram, which is just Spiced by Maggie, so go ahead and check that out for more recipes and vegan food porn pictures. But today I bring to you a very quick video, and that is in regards to cheeses. I understand that when going plant-based or vegan, the hardest thing to give up is cheese. For me, it was actually fish and eggs, but I did it, so I know you can do it too. And even if you can't, that is okay. If you're not 100% vegan or plant-based, that is okay. Even if you're 80%, 75, 90, that's better than nothing at all. But nevertheless, I'm going to show you top 3 vegan cheeses that I really enjoy. And I'm actually going to start with my favorite of the 3, which is this Follow Your Heart, specifically the provolone flavor. It's really, really good. And I feel like of all the cheeses I have tried, I like the smell of this, the texture of this, the way it melts. It's really good on hash browns, in burgers, sandwiches, so many different ways to use this cheese. The ingredients are quite good as well. I'm gonna make sure I put it on the screen so you guys can see it. But yeah, Follow Your Heart of these 3 is definitely my favorites. And then of these 3, the next one I'm going to be talking about is Tree Line Tree Nut Cheese in the herb and garlic flavor. Of these 3, this one is the healthiest. It has a very, very clean ingredients, no oils, no preservatives. However, it is definitely could break the bank because for this 6 ounces of cheese, it's $8, which is kind of crazy. But there's so many things you could do this. You could use it as a dip for cucumbers, celery, carrots. Yesterday I had it with some crackers, which I actually ate the whole thing, hence why there's nothing inside here. But yeah, this is a really, really good cheese. I highly recommend you guys try that out. You will not be disappointed. And it also comes in a lot of different flavors. And then the last but not least of these 3 is the Chow cheese by Field Roasted is the company. And this is the garlic, no, not garlic, garden herb with black pepper specifically. But once again, it comes in various, what is the word I'm thinking of? Flavors. But yeah, it's really delicious as well. The ingredients are honestly not that bad. There's fermented tofu, which is quite different than this Follow Your Heart. But yeah, fermented tofu is one of the ingredients in this, which is quite nice. But once again, it melts really, really good. You could use this on pizza boats, on pizza, if you're gonna go for some like chili fries or something like that. This goes on really good as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share with you guys that there are so many vegan plant-based alternatives to cheeses. So even if you try one out and you don't like it, don't be disappointed because there's so many to try out. I know at first it might seem like I'm never going to find the right cheese for me, or it stinks to have to always constantly pay $5, $6 and then you don't like it. Because I remember like over 6 years ago when I first went vegan, the only thing that was on the store shelves was Daiya cheese. And honestly, that texture is very like slimy and it just like tastes like snails. I don't know. But over the course of the 6 and so years, cheeses have come such a long way in the plant-based world. So I highly suggest don't give up, and just know that even if you're not 100% vegan or plant-based, that is okay. Even if you're doing one thing and just cutting out regular cheese with plant-based cheese, or milk with almond milk or cashew milk, you're doing something good for this planet. So take it from me or not, little steps, baby steps, that's all that matters. But I have an appointment today that I have to make for sushi. So I'm gonna go because I'm going for some lunch for sushi. But anyways, these are my top 3 favorite cheeses. If you guys want to see like my top 3 favorite vegan junk food, or my top 3 favorite dinner ideas or something like that, make sure you comment down below and let me know. But I'll see you guys next one. Bye!